this would actually be f minus 2 is 0, right? And remainder of 5, meaning to say by using the remainder theorem, we know that f minus negative 1 would just be 5. Okay, so that's about it. So find the value of a and of b. I think that is okay. We're just going to start by writing down the first one. F minus 2 is 0 by factor theorem. So this would be substituting in minus 2 cubed plus a minus 2 square plus b minus 2 minus 12 equals to 0. So from here, what we get is actually 6 times minus 8, which is negative 48, and this is plus 4a minus 2b minus 12 equals to 0, and this will be 2a 4a minus 2b equals to minus 48 minus 12, which is 60 on the other end. Okay, so this is 1, after which we have got the remainder theorem, which is minus 5 equals to 5. Remainder is 5. This will just be replace it into this expression here, will be 6 minus negative 1 to the power cube plus a minus 1 square plus b minus 1 minus 12 equals to 5. Okay, so we're going to get is minus 6 plus a minus b minus 12 equals to 5. And rearrange all these, what we will get is actually a minus b equals to 23. Okay, so this part here, what I can do is actually divide by 2 both sides. So it'll be easier for me if I were to divide this by both sides with 2. So once this is done, what we're going to get is actually just get 2a minus b equals to 30. Okay, so a minus b equals to 23 from here. The first one, I'm going to solve this by using elimination method. So 1 minus 2, we get 2a minus a equals to 30 minus 23. And this will be a equals to 30 minus 23 would be 7. Okay, and then after which you substitute in from here, 7 minus b equals to 23. So b would just be negative. B will just be negative 16. Okay, so that's about it. We have got hence a is 7 and b is actually negative 16. All right, so let's look at the subsequent part by showing your working clearly. Factorize fx. So there are a few ways of doing this. I think what you could do is just long divide with its factor, which is x plus 2. Okay, so that's what we need to do. But so fx would be, from previously we know fx would just be 6x cubed. A was 7, so plus 7x squared, and after which minus 16x minus 12, right? So to factorize this, what we do is we're just going to do a long division. So 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 16x minus 12. I'm going to do is just long divide here with x plus 2. Then this is 6x squared, the 6x cubed plus 12x squared. Alright, minus off the whole thing. 7 minus 12 will be negative 5 x squared minus 16x. So I'm going to put the minus 5 here. X. So this is minus 5x squared minus 10x. Divide again. This will just be negative 6x minus 12. So I'm going to put negative 6 here. 6x minus 12. This is just a long division. So from here we know that this will just be x plus 2 multiply with whatever we got on top, right? 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay, so there you go. That's what we got. So from there, what we're gonna do is actually just factorize this out. What we get is fx. This on the other hand would just be this is just x plus 2, and this will just be 3x plus 2, 2x minus 3. Okay, you could just key in calculator and you could see that is actually the So poly 2. So this will be 6, -5, and -6. And the 3/2 and -2/3. Okay, so this is that's the answer here. So that's how you completely factorize it. Okay, this is 3 marks. Hence solve the equation. So this one we need to be able to tell what is the substitute that is given to us as compared to that. I'm just going to copy that down first. So from here, hence solve this equation here, part 3. Part 3, right, is actually 6 to 3y plus 2y plus 3 minus 2y plus 4 minus 12 equals to 2y. Okay, great. At a glance, it may look a bit very complicated, but I will suggest let's just see how this could be done properly, because this is x cubed here, this is x squared and x1 and minus 12. We already have got our -12 here, so we know that that is what we need, and this is x4 here. So I'm just going to try and just group down my 2y cubed, and this will be 2y. I'm trying to get 2y squared here, 2y cubed minus 2y times 2, 4 minus 12 minus 2y squared. Okay, so as you could see that I'm getting a 2y squared here. This is 2y squared. Okay, rather I'll just put it here. This could be 2y squared as well, so I'm gonna break it up. This is 2 cubed. So this is 6 2y cubed plus 8. This is 2y squared. Alright, so this is 2y squared. This will be negative. This is 16, so this is 2 to the power 4 is 16, right? So 2 to the power 4. So just key in calculator if you're not sure. Please make sure it's not 8, alright? So this is 16. 16 2y, bracket it, 12, and then minus of 2y squared here equals to 0. Now just take note of this. This is one entity, 2y squared, and this is 2y squared. So 8 minus 1 would be 7. So this would be 6 2y cubed plus 7 2y squared minus 16 2y minus 12 equals to 0. I think now once this is done, you should be able to tell that the substitute of x is actually 2y. So this is x, x, and x. See that? Okay. So that's pretty okay. Once we're done, we are going to just try and solve. Okay. So hence x equals to 2y to the power y. And x from the previous part we know is -2. When it's 0, we know that is this part here. So from 2 fx is 0, we will get x equals to -2, -2 third, and 3/2, right? So here go this part here. Okay, so in other words, what we get is 2y equals to -2, -2 third, and 3/2. Okay, that's important. This needs to be rejected because 2y is always positive, so we need to reject that. 2y needs to be rejected here, and this also needs to be rejected, so reject as 2y is bigger than 0. This one here, both rejects. Okay, so what we get is 2y equals to 3/2. That is it. What we're going to do is put it aside here. Hold on. This we hence 2y equals to 3/2. To solve this, we just ln both sides. You can use log as well, it's fine. So this is ln, this is y, bring it down, 3/2, and this is y equals to ln 3/2 over ln 2. Okay, so divide by ln 2 here. So once this is done, I think it's pretty okay. What you're going to get is actually just ln 3 over 2 ln 2. This will be 0.58496. 0.58496. Alright. So this will be 0.585. Yep. Okay. So this is how you do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.